Hey everyone, I'm Bad Animations and I have got a mic now. Yay! Woohoo! So I wanted to try StoryTime videos. So guess what? I'ma do one. This is the bird miracle. Now you might be thinking, what the toast is the bird miracle? Well, I'm telling you, stop worrying. So this was back in kindergarten, I think. We were going on a trip, and at that time I had just rewatched Snow White, Cinderella, all the Disney princess movies. Actually, I can't recall why. I think it has something to do with my big sister. Meh. But we were going through a forest now. In the story, we're out on the trip. We're going in a forest. So we were going in this forest. I was talking to my friends, and I hear a bird. Specifically, a dove. So I decided to respond. I just decided because I wanted to, and I wanted to impersonate a dove. But then birds were shoo, shoo, flying down to me, landing around me, scattered around me, looking at me. Not in a perfect circle, more like an oval. But it was crazy. Then afterwards, I was holy banana split with chocolate pudding and whipped cream on toaster cheese. And that was my day. Goodbye, everyone. I guess. Thanks for watching this video. It was a great time recording this.